The STEM field is a concentration of the following subject matters: science, technology, electricity, and mathematics, which we have implemented into the various program activities instituted in this 4 to 6 week program for its participants. We hope to lay a beginning foundation for these youth through the approval of this proposal. The focus of the next 4 to 6 weeks is to get the youth engaged in different organized activities that will develop their skills of understanding of each subject matter expressed and that they gain a valuable experience that they can refer to in the future. The following program activities are as follows. The exploration of environments is the implication of the science portion of the STEM field. The implication of this activity is to allow the youth a chance to connect to their surroundings with the use of science and take down all observations to to discuss among with their peers at a later date. We hope that these activities give our youth a quality experience and encourage them to view science in different ways besides out of a book. The focus point is to see how science can be used to evaluate and explore different terrains. And our following exploration sites will be the following images. The first image is Yellowstone Park, and that this will be covered in the first day and the second day of our exploration. On day 3 and 4, we will head to South Florida for the Everglades, the Swamp Reservation area that is located down there. Then through day 5 through 6, we'll also be in South Florida again on the beachfront, looking at the various terrains that it offers. The next following activity is the Census of Technology. This will cover the technology aspect of the STEM field. The growth of technology is booming daily with the new inventions and new forms of advanced technology. Come from very dependent. Society has become very dependent upon technology, and we will, as a group, develop the application of online census to only measure the dependence, but as well other subject matters. The students the students will learn how to create effective surveys and be able to go to surrounding areas to put their census in effect. The focus point is to teach the kids how not only to use technology in a productive manner, but also to connect with people on a far greater context and get a deeper analytical view of society. Creation of census is going to be covered in the first day of the project as a whole. The field trips to local area malls for testing of the surveys that are created will also be implemented within the aspect of the census technology portion. And last but not least, the online surveying. This is the phase that is primarily to show that how to build effective surveys that can be taken online and turn out great data that can be used when evaluated by our youth at a later date. The third aspect of this STEM field proposal is the crafts and building portion. This is to put the emphasis on electricity. Electricity is a big part of the society we live in. Without it, we would not be able to maintain a decent living. We will show our kids how to develop current circuits and discuss the flow of electricity, all of which will be shown to them in the hands-on experience of building of different models. Through the first day 1 through day 2, the discovering of the flow of electricity and how it is possible, youth will develop a current system in which they may evaluate the flow of electricity and how it is able to function. From day 3 through 6, youth will develop an electric model car and race them all around amongst their peers. The following images are viewpoints of what we will be partaking in, as well as we'll have them in the competitive racing events as well. Now, the last portion that we have pertaining to our STEM field is the mathematics portion. Mathematics is a tool used by most productive businesses and are becoming useful in everyday life. We would take mathematics to the kitchen with the youth in the following activities. They would learn how to use and mathematics and learning how to cook and how to apply this in real life scenarios. The focus point of the activity is to get the youth to use mathematics in regular day activities and to understand how you can apply mathematics in simple activities such as cooking. Youth will be placed in kitchen settings where they will implicate in a simple meal and snacks while using mathematics to accomplish the goal. Kids will be put in real life scenarios in which they will have to use mathematics as a key to help them overcome the obstacles. For examples such as shopping and cooking. The following images will be the background in which we will take our students to be able to take our students. That is the STEM field proposal that was assigned to our group, and that is the proposal in which I was implemented. Thank you very much.